Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. This is Kajol and today I welcome you all to this video. Now today I wanted to quickly share with you guys certain tips and tricks on how to make a perfume long lasting. Summer has finally reached and I cannot even tell you how irritating and frustrating it is when you just you travel in the metro and people are like stinking like, oh, it's so gross. So I just quickly wanted to share with you guys like my tips and tricks on how I make my perfume long lasting so that you and I don't end up being one of those people who just are not smelling that great, I would say. So yes, today I'm going to share with you guys my tips and tricks on how I make my perfume long lasting throughout the day without having to reapply it. So if you guys want to see how I use my perfume on an everyday basis, then make sure you keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, you know the jazz, follow me on all of my socials, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the perfume that I'm going to use today is the Body Cupid Tuberose Love perfume. This is 100 ml for 1000 rupees. I will tell you guys, this is one of the most amazing perfume that I have ever used. Why? I'll tell you, because perfume either have a really mild smell or they have really hard smell. You can actually tell whether or not a person is actually wearing a perfume. But this one for some reason, has very natural sort of essence to it, which I really love. So that's why I've been using this one currently. This one was sent to me by Body Cupid a couple of days ago, but I've been using it ever since and I really adore it. So this is what it looks like. It is like pretty posh as well. It has this translucent kind of the body. Look at it. Look how pretty it looks, but I just cannot carry it in my bag because I'm afraid I'll break this. I used to own this Estee Lauder perfume which was shit expensive and it broke in my bag, and of course it was smelling really good, but I felt so bad after losing that perfume, guys. I cannot even bear the thought of putting another perfume bottle in my bag at all anytime soon, ever, I think. So this is what the bottle looks like. It is pretty posh, it looks really beautiful on your dressing table, and it's not that expensive. You can buy it off of Amazon, Flipkart. You'll probably get a huge discounts. Body Cupid always have amazing discounts on their website as these kind of websites as well. So the first thing that I do when I apply my perfume is I don't apply it directly, going like shh. No, what I do is I just take a little bit of Vaseline. Wait, let me show you. Okay, so what I do is I just take a little bit of this Vaseline petroleum jelly and I just take like the tiniest amount. Do you see that? You can't even see that. Tiniest amount, and I would just apply it over here as well as over here. Rub it in properly, and then I would just spray my perfume. Smells so good. Smells like I was in between the nature or something. It's really beautiful. So that's I would just spread it over here and over here. That will make a perfume long lasting for a really long time. It won't just fly off into the air, and whenever somebody is to hug you or come near you, or they will smell this thing and it will be like it's divine smell. You won't actually smell like summers. So yeah, now the next thing that I do to make my perfume long lasting is I just take a little bit of Vaseline again. I would just apply it to my wrist, rub it like this, and spritz the perfume onto my wrist. Now most often people, what they do, they rub it in, that just break off the perfume's molecules. Just dab it like this. This will make your perfume really long lasting, and it won't break off the perfume's particles, and you will actually have a long lasting perfume rather than just wearing it off. Now for the third thing, how I use this perfume is that I don't usually use it on my clothes because perfume tend to give you that kind of stain which never goes away, and people will definitely mark it that is a stain of a perfume. So what I do is I just take my handkerchief and I just spritz it onto the handkerchief, and whenever I'm wiping off my face or my sweat, I just get that whiff of beautiful smell that this perfume gives. So I really love that. That is the third way how I use my perfume. Now the fourth way that how I use my perfume is I actually take my brush. This is a Tangle Teaser. You can actually use a normal brush for that matter. It has a little bit of hair in it because I just combed my hair with it. So what I do is I just spritz it, the perfume, onto the Tangle Teaser from a distance, like not directly onto it, from a distance, whiff it away, and I just brush my hair with this. So what it does is it actually would like bring the perfume into my hair, and whenever somebody was to come around me, they'll actually get the smell of the perfume. So this is what I do before I leave the house.
Also, this won't damage your roots as you're not directly applying the perfume.
The last but not the least thing that I do with my perfume is that I don't need it most often because these kind of things work for me, like the hair and Vaseline and all. But if you still feel like your perfume wears off really quickly, what you can do is that you can take certain Q-tips, you can spray your perfume onto those Q-tips, and you can actually keep them inside your purse. So whenever you feel like you actually need to reapply your perfume, you don't need to actually take out the glass bottle. You can just like rub the Q-tip onto the areas wherever you need the perfume to be, and that will actually kind of refresh your entire mood and your perfume as well. So those are my tips for making your perfume really long lasting, especially when they are like these kind of perfumes that you cannot carry with yourself to different places. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.